Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
I thought I was gonna miss it. Come on now, we got this meal here.
Oh,
come on,
hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a seafood boil and we have it with some ramen noodles.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yes.
But before we dig in, we're gonna need for you to subscribe. We'll wait.
You know what? We're not gonna eat nothing till you subscribe. Yes, you say one. Come on now, cut it out.
You're gonna love it, so just subscribe.
No, but you gotta tell them how to subscribe. They just don't subscribe like that.
What they have to do?
Make sure you hit that bell and make sure it says all.
Ooh.
Okay, everything, cause don't miss nothing. You know. But
so these noodles are not. They're ramen noodles, but they're really not. They're Indomie noodles. These are my favorite noodles. I love these noodles. They are delicious. If you get these and you eat these, you won't eat ramen ever again. I promise you.
Yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't say that because then they're going to sell out.
Yeah, and then you're going to buy it all. Okay, first, so what we got in this spectacular meal today? Appreciate this meal as always. What we got here?
I was thirsty.
All right, drink up. What we got here?
So we have, like I said, Indomie noodles. We have eggs, sausage, mussels, corn, and shrimp.
Don't forget the shrimp. No, sorry family, we can't afford that king crab right now.
We're waiting though.
We're waiting though when that price drop. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna get that king crab. We ain't trying to be you know what I mean? We telling the truth. We can't afford it. Simple as that.
Oh dear.
See, first lady eating already because she want me to chop it up. All right. Appreciate y'all, family. I just be throwing the tests out there sometime. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know y'all always watch the video to the end. So y'all see everything I say. But I appreciate y'all. Later on, let me taste some of this food first. And then I shout out the winners, okay? For what we ate. The first thing we ate when we went to Jamaica. Right? Give us a little You even get them none? They said, Richie, shut your mouth and show me what you got. Look at that. That's the noodles.
I saw somebody on TikTok.
Wow.
You okay?
Yo, look an egg.
Made a seafood boil and they had ramen noodles in it. And I was like, man, that looks bussin'.
Family, I have no beer gang today. I couldn't put it on today right now. I'm going all in because this is a spectacular meal. Look at it.
He's eating. Oh my goodness, sorry. Okay, let me get them some. Give you guys a. You guys eat clam? Not clam, mussels. Next time I want to make clam.
Eat it with the mussels. It tastes good with it. Yes.
Yeah.
Try it. Okay. My fault. We go to the side. And now I pick up the things. Oh, fam.
Are you good? Are you good?
Regular thing on fleek. Look. I'm not even gonna say that's what I'm drinking today with a little bit of water. Add it into my cup, you know, my favorite cup now. No, one of my favorite cup. So, right here with it.
That weird dog.
Somebody rang the bell?
I don't know.
You know, we got the busting sausages right here. Should we read the back?
Wow.
Y'all should try it with some noodles, probably.
It is good.
It's good. Wow. You did a wonderful job again.
Thank you, honey.
Always.
Thank you.
Eat some more.
From being in... What's wrong with that dog? From being in Jamaica and eating nothing but Jamaican food, we feel like some seafood.
Oh, wow. That's true. Nice and juicy.
So good.
I don't want to take off the skin.
Before, when I made this, I used to put everything in the oven. Now, now what I do first is I get a broth, like I season water, and I put the shrimp egg, cook everything separately so that nothing gets overcooked. So that's why the shrimp is so juicy.
Everything is juicy.
So you like it juicy?
Well, premium cook. Medium rare. Medium rare, right?
Medium well.
That's how I must. Alright, must be medium well. Don't worry. I'm gonna get to the winners. Come on, young. Oh. Big up yourself. Sharness Sims. Bless up. Big shout out to you, family. You know the thing set already. Big up yourself, always.
That's right, boo.
Let me eat some more, family. I'm gonna get to the winners. I know y'all want to hear. Because I know y'all watch the videos. So sometimes I just be testing y'all. You know what I'm saying? I do stuff like that to throw out some questions out there. You never know when I'm sure to throw out questions, you know?
And this is only 2 packs of noodles. And this share between Richie and I and Tamia. You guys know Vincent already eats seafood, so. But even if he wanted some, they would still share for all 4 of us.
Boss, you know what my daughter say? That noodle is a changer. Family, I'm eating the shells and all. Alright. Drum roll. That's some seasoning.
Oh God.
Seasoning. You want more napkin?
I sneezed and I felt it. My neck. Oh my God, my neck, guys. Much better than before, but.
Drum roll to our first winner for what we ate. The first thing we ate when we went to Jamaica goes to with my Chichi. Seba Nicola. I'm not good at names, okay? So if I'm saying the name wrong, I'm sorry, okay? But big up to yourself, Seba Nicola, right, first lady?
You got it right.
First one, I'm gonna eat some more. So family, as I was saying, the first thing we ate was KFC. So that was the first winner.
Yep.
We had to get that KFC. I seen a lot of patties with cheese, jerk chicken, and all kind of stuff. But yeah, family,
those were good guesses.
Those were good guesses, but we eat too much patty here.
And to be honest, I haven't. Although I love Jamaica and Jamaican patty's good, I haven't had no patty that's better than ours.
Facts.
And I'm not being biased.
Nope, we're not. Okay. Family, I went down there. I ate somebody patty, too much oil, coming like a chicken, your fried chicken and beer grease upon it.
And then it's not, it's too softy. It doesn't have a crunch to it.
Not because that's our thing, I'm just telling you, ain't nothing on ours.
Nothing. King Kong ain't got nothing on me.
Listen, it's just not word of mouth, family. We are people that came from Jamaica and chased it. And we would tell them that was our stuff. They hook right now. You know what I'm saying? Just chill, we got something. Okay, second winner. Woo! Goes to Elaine. Big up yourself, Bob family. KFC, you got it right too. You know what I'm saying? Yup.
You guys really know us.
Yep, yeah, I do. We got one more winner coming up. You know what I'm saying? And again, I appreciate y'all watching to figure that out. Cause that was like 17 minutes in the video.
Yeah.
Y'all watch. I appreciate every single one. Me and First Lady appreciate every single one of y'all that watch to the end. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get there, so that's the only reason. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Appreciate that. Love and respect. Food sweet me a freak.
Damn.
Yo,
you excited, man.
I love seafood. I love it. I love mukbang. I didn't even breathe nowhere there yet, no? Chat me a chat. Yeah, eating with us? Okay, go ahead. Don't be shy. That's one thing. When we cook food, it's for everybody.
Exactly. The corn is sweet too.
Drum roll, woo, for the third. And this is just in any order, you know what I'm saying?
Right, that's true.
I know how your family members are competitive, man. It's just in any order, right? But just giving a winner, so don't feel no way. Everybody getting their shout out.
They are competitive.
Very. Third winner go to Darren, big up yourself. Darren, Brian, 305. Bless up family. You don't know. No, I ain't got no rum. But bless up yourself, alright? Always. And I appreciate y'all again for, you know what I mean, stick and staying and just answer the question. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. For everybody else, all the family members, shout out to all of y'all too. You know what I'm saying? Love and respect. Alright, man, I have food now.
Yeah, that's why he did it so fast, because he want to eat.
Yeah, my food now, my family. I feel eat my food now. Yeah, move fast, but let's eat.
A 3 egg you gone in?
Stop at 3 them egg, my youth.
A 3 egg you gone in? Yeah, man, a 5 egg putting in something and a 1 egg my having.
Now you're probably not. I don't know one yam.
So, honey, you have 3 egg.
I have 3 egg, man.
And you chat?
I have 3 egg, man.
Lord fire.
Family, I did not eat 3 eggs.
Okay.
Yo, one thing you know.
My food, man.
Yeah, when you cook seafood, you watch your seafood like hell. Family, when she cook seafood, she trying to hurry up and eat. But anything else, she take her time then.
Damn.
But seafood, family, she does not play when it comes to seafood. She watch everything.
A 3 egg you nyam in?
That's 3 million for you?
Yeah.
Damn.
And you chat. And
That
you still
is it.
3 egg.
That is it, man.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Wow.
Let me not. Last time I ate the corn, the family member was like,
Don't eat the corn early.
yeah, I'm just eating regular. Because
they don't miss nothing.
nothing. Wow.
Yes, Elaine, we should have went live.
You know, we
Listen,
had it all
we
planned.
had it all planned. Real talk, we had it all planned. We're gonna go live eating a lot of Jamaican fruits. I know y'all would have loved it. Everybody was there. You just see the come on. We're there.
And we forgot.
We just having fun.
Ooh, excuse me.
Having fun, you know? But we was gonna go. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. We back now. Family, I got a lot of ice. The ice make it disrespecting me now. I make too much ice. Can't get straight in that time.
Cause oh, that's starting to go.
Too much ice. Eat mushrooms. If I have left over, I have to hide it from your daughter, you know?
The noodles just absorb all of the sauce.
That's what I like about it.
And mussels.
If you never try it, go try it. And if you did, comment down. Let us know. No?
The mussels are good too.
Mustard is good.
When you have mussels, you have to make sure that you clean out the beard. 'Cause that's not good. I don't like that.
How much common yam to? Why don't you make yam?
One can, you know.
Because you know some yam time. What are you looking at? I'm going to go food my own. This is boss. Can't say that too loud, family. My daughter here. She said we old. I'm not supposed to say that. Wow. Who rang the doorbell? People know we're doing that video.
I saw that. I said.
So the family member, your day start tomorrow, Tom?
Oh.
You gonna tell them that? You gonna give them story time?
For real.
First thing, gonna give you a story time.
It's not much story time. Tomorrow is back to school. I'm subbing for the whole year. Okay. So I have a teacher that's gonna be out, so I'm subbing the kindergarten class from now until the end of the year. And
you're gonna do great. Everybody loves you.
Kindergarten is a whole different entity, you know.
You got this. You got this, though.
They're gonna come to school crying.
You got this, though.
They're gonna be. Some of them have never been to school before, so you gotta teach them, you know, to raise your hand, sit down. But it'll be fine.
You got this. Got this, bro. Got you. Damn, Tom. The food nice, man. It's nice. I ain't gonna lie. It's nice. You tell me I'm eating up all the egg, then you not even eat the egg. Lord, leave it for when I wrap it up for later. Wow.
I'm gonna wrap up everything for later.
You know I ain't gonna finish all the guys. I have to have leftovers.
So what you guys been up to? Yeah?
They didn't even tell you.
They have kids going back to school too.
That's nice. What grade? You know what I'm saying?
Our daughter's in 10th grade. Like Richard told you guys before, volleyball season.
It's here.
The champ is here.
It's here.
Woo.
Volleyball dad, volleyball mom. Ah. 12 shrimp left, and I'm kind of for your daughter because you're sneaky man. Probably want to make seafood. She gotta have a whole little thing. Half of this is hers. She have a little old separate bowl. You're full, huh? You know what I'm saying? She's full. Yep, so you know, the rest of this, I'm gonna put down. Bring me a couple more shrimp.
Can I have a napkin, please?
Yep.
I don't know. I'm just not a shrimp person. I don't know. I would eat 4, and then I'm tired of it. I don't know. But give me some blue crab. That's what I want. Blue crab should be in season now. It should be. It's crab season now, honey. Because we're in August.
Yes.
Crab season starts in August.
You know what I mean?
I want to go crabbing. But yeah, crab season is in.
Pluck. We got that good seafood right here. You missed it.
Why you call his name out for? You're gonna piss him off.
The thumbnail. Pluck.
That's fucked up. Yo, you should send him the video, the pre-video.
I have a picture.
Oh, you took a picture?
I'm gonna send to him. Alright, family. My first lady full. Once my first lady full enough, family, that's it. So if you're new, once first lady says she's full and I know first lady is full, we don't go no more. That's one thing I make my first lady go nowhere. Yep. So I'm gonna tell the people here. Alright. Alright, family. I'm gonna eat one more shrimp. Okay?
Mayu, you can't have your food and I'm not rushing now.
Well, you full, me full.
I'm not rushing.
This is gonna be done by tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Family, it's not a lot there.
I don't know for enough.
3,
Enough.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shrimp. Okay, cut it down, make it one more. It's not a lot, family. If you can see, it's not a lot.
We ate a lot. You ate.
We ate a lot. You don't have nothing. She ain't nothing, fam.
You ate a lot. Whatever. Yo, I was hungry too, enough. I was hungry.
Family, I end up not playing basketball because first day they said she's hungry as hell. I didn't go play basketball in the family. Just because she said she's hungry too, I want to eat her food. Look what happened. She eat 2 stuff and full already. What kind of hunger is that? Anyway, my first lady food, I don't care what nobody wants to say. Alright. Family, we appreciate y'all. Always. Thank you. You know, we almost at 4:30, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Get us to that 5. We're trying to get to that 5, y'all.
That 5, you know? No?
Neck.
Alright. I got something for y'all today, a little beautiful word if y'all want to listen, you know?
I swear, I wish I lived right next to Dr. Tibio.
The video's coming.
I know. It's coming.
It's coming. But in the meantime, you can type in him on YouTube.
Exactly, and see what he does.
See what he does, Dr. Tibio. Okay, first thing, you ready?
Yeah.
Family, you ready?
But you know what? I think I kind of want to wait until he drops it. You think so? Because then, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we can wait till he drops it.
Yeah.
Alright, family. First lady, viewers, subscribers. We're at the end now, so you know. Family, everything in your life is a reflection of a choice you made. If you want a different result, make a different choice.
Ooh.
You like that one?
We love that one, man.
I'm going to say it again. Since you love it, I'm going to say it again for the family members.
Love it.
Alright, family. Everything in your life is a reflection of a choice you've made. If you want a different result, make a different choice. Do it now. No? If you want to, do it right now. You know what I'm saying? Remember, choice you made, it's either gonna come back and haunt you or it make you a better person. So right now, me and First Lady doing a lot of choices.
Yes.
And some positive one, family. This right now is just a little talk session, you know?
That's true.
Reason section. And we have a lot of plans. And all we doing just keeping our finger crossed till everything goes. Because soon as everything goes, you will know. I have a different journey in life. First Lady have a different journey in life. And we can't say anything yet till it come through. So that's what we're going to do. And when it's come through, it will be on you, not Scooby-Doo. So with that said, what I just told you, if y'all want to make changes, now it's never too... I always say you're never too old to learn something. So do some changes. You know what I'm saying? If you want somebody that's not cool, like whatever, reach out to that person and say whatever. Life is short. Because you know what happened? First, you tell them what happened. I see y'all watching the news. You see about the man who going and kill his family? Right? That was his family, right?
No, he killed his girlfriend. Or ex-wife, something like that. And left the 6 kids.
You see that?
And the other lady who was driving because she was mad at her boyfriend or something like that, ran the red light and killed off 6 people, injured 6 people, and now she may be going to jail for 90 years.
Make the right choices, so don't make nothing bother you, know? Life ain't a promise, all the First Lady say, you know? But I am... Shit, I'm gonna say I'm my First Lady. I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, one and only. Remember, I tell you that no other First Lady, no imitation. Good. My stop pitching my youth. Go on.
And you guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
That was busting, Tom. That was busting. Now you know them one fuck my youth. I'm sure I don't play basketball my youth.
Whatever.
Shot too much my youth.
I was hungry, honey. It's gas.
Tom, how are you hungry?
I was hungry. It's gas.